Ooh, holy Toledo. Moral to my story is buy the RC crawler first before you build the layout. I realized my triple turn climb would be too tight, so I had to cut out a level, and I'm going to go from there up to there, eliminating one of the turns on the Helix because there was just not enough clearance. Whoops. I think the rest of the layout's okay. So, hey, it's just cardboard. The heck. I notched out the corner here too because I was worried it would hit. So, got more clearance now through the tunnel. Much better.